Welcome to Sikshyaloka YouTube channel. Today I am going to recite English poem Clap Your Hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around, turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Touch the ground, touch the ground. Listen to the music and touch the ground. Look at the moon, look at the moon. Listen to the music and look at the moon. Touch the head, touch the head. Listen to the music and touch the head. Open your eyes, open your eyes. Listen to the music and open your eyes. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Run the ground, run on the ground. Listen to the music and run on the ground. Respect the teachers, respect the teachers. Listen to the music and respect the teachers. Thank you.